Hello, friends. Today, the book we are going to talk about will not teach you how to speak. It will teach you how to stay silent. But this silence is not weakness. This silence is power. The name of this book is The Power of Silence, Darren Jennings. Friends, today's world is full of noise. Everyone is speaking. Everyone is giving opinions. Everyone is trying to prove themselves. But the real question is, does the person who talks more become wiser? No. In reality, the person who knows how to remain silent is the most powerful. Part 1. The Power of Peace, a Forgotten Strength. What is silence? Silence does not mean that you are afraid. Silence does not mean that you are weak. Silence means you know when to speak and when not to speak. A person who talks all the time scatters their energy outward, and a person who remains silent collects their energy within. What does the author say? Darren Jennings says, silence is not empty, it is full of answers. That means, silence is not empty, silence is full of answers. But we live in so much noise that we can no longer hear those answers. The biggest problem today, the biggest problem of today's human being is wanting to explain everything, wanting to please everyone, wanting to answer every question. And this is where mental peace is destroyed. Why are silent people more intelligent? Because they listen, they observe, they don't react, they respond. And this is the difference between an ordinary person and a strong person. Friends, the most dangerous person in the world is not the one who talks too much, but the one who can remain silent even when needed. Part 2. Silence gives you mental peace. Friends, our mind runs day and night. What will people say? What will people think? Did I say the right thing? Did I say too little? This noise exhausts our mind. Silence equals inner peace. When you learn to stay silent, the mind becomes lighter, the heart becomes calm, the soul becomes stable. Because you stop taking everything personally. A truth. The more you speak, the more you explain. And the person who keeps explaining is insecure from within. A calm person does not need to prove themselves. Darren Jennings says, you don't need to attend every argument you are invited to. Not every fight is yours. Not every debate is your responsibility. Not every question needs your answer. What does silence teach you? Understanding yourself, not others. Wisdom, not reaction. Balance, not ego. And this is true maturity. Friends, the day you learn to stay silent over meaningless things, peace will start entering your life. What's coming next? In the next parts, we will learn how silence makes you powerful. Why silent people are never taken lightly. The role of silence in relationships. The deep connection between success and silence. How you can win even by staying silent. Part 3. Silence makes you powerful. Friends, think about this. The king of the jungle, the lion, does not make the most noise. But when it stands up, the entire jungle becomes silent. That is the real power of silence. What does power really mean? Power does not mean speaking the loudest, winning every argument, answering everyone. Power means you don't even need to respond. Author's deep observation. Darren Jennings says, silence gives you control. Words give your power away. When you talk too much, you lose control. When you stay silent, the other person becomes uncomfortable. Why do people fear silent individuals? Because they don't know what you are thinking. They don't know your next move. They cannot read you. And a person who cannot be read is dangerous. Real life truth. The one who stays silent in arguments. The one who speaks less in meetings. The one who doesn't over-explain in relationships often gains the most respect. Friends, noisy people seek attention. But silent people attract attention naturally. Part 4. Silence helps you understand people. Friends, what is our biggest mistake? We don't listen to understand. We listen to reply. Silence equals observation. When you stay silent, you understand the meaning behind words. You read facial expressions. You can distinguish truth from lies. Because truth is often hidden. Not in words, but in behavior. A bitter truth. A person who talks too much is often hiding something. A person who talks less has already understood a lot. Author's insight. Darren Jennings says, people reveal themselves when you let them talk. When you stay silent, people expose themselves. Silence in relationships. Who is just a talk friend? Who will stand with you in hard times? Who is using you? All this becomes clear when you stay silent. Sign of maturity. A mature person does not react to everything, does not express every emotion, does not give access to everyone. And this silence makes them emotionally strong. Friends, when you learn to stay silent, you begin to see people's true faces. Part 5. Why silence is necessary in relationships. Friends, why do most relationships break? Because people talk too much, understand too little, try to prove everything. The biggest mistake in relationships. We think, if we explain, they will understand. If we speak, the relationship will survive. If we justify ourselves, love will remain. But the truth is, not everyone wants to understand. Some people just want to win. Silence in relationships. When you learn to stay silent, unnecessary fights end. Manipulation stops working. The other person starts valuing you. Because you are not emotionally available for everyone's drama. Darren Jennings says, silence exposes intentions faster than arguments. Not arguments, but silence reveals people's intentions. When is silence most important? When you are repeatedly disrespected. When your words are ignored. When you feel emotionally drained. Speaking at that time only harms you. Friends, the one who doesn't respect your silence doesn't deserve your voice either. Part 6. The deep connection between silence and success. Friends, successful people talk less and work more. The truth about focus. When you stay silent, you avoid distractions. You don't get stuck in others' opinions. You save your energy. And this energy fulfills your goals. Habits of successful people. They don't tell everyone their plans. They show progress. They let results speak. Because identity is built, not by announcements, but by outcomes. Why do talkative people fall behind? They seek validation. They live in comparison. They consume others' energy. While silent people are busy building themselves. Darren Jennings says, move in silence. Let success make the noise. Move quietly. Success will speak for you. Part 7. When silence becomes poison. Friends, it is very important to understand. Not every silence is strength. Sometimes, silence becomes self-betrayal. Dangerous silence. Silence becomes poison when you tolerate constant disrespect. Your boundaries are repeatedly crossed. Your silence is mistaken for weakness. You are silent out of fear, not wisdom. Author's clear warning. Darren Jennings says, silence should protect your peace, not destroy your self-respect. The purpose of silence is to protect peace, not erase yourself. Right silence vs wrong silence. Right silence, wisdom, self-respect, boundaries. Wrong silence, fear, loss of self-respect, suffering silently. Friends, stay silent, but never at the cost of your self-respect. Part 8. Silence makes you unbreakable. Friends, when you learn when to stay silent, people stop taking you lightly. Your presence becomes enough. You become emotionally strong. Inner strength. A silent person is internally stable, does not crave approval, knows how to walk alone. These qualities make them unbreakable. Darren Jennings says, silence is a lifestyle, not a reaction. Silence is not a moment. It is a way of life. Silent life rules, practical. Don't answer everything. Don't give everyone access. Keep your plans private. Spend your energy wisely. Prioritize peace. Conclusion. a calm, strong, and free life. Friends, in today's world, staying calm has become a superpower, where people are lost in noise. The silent one moves ahead. Friends, when you stay silent, the world thinks you are weak. But the truth is, you are becoming stronger. If this video gave you peace, clarity, and strength, please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments. And for more meaningful content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.